Maybe should suggest that he get, find a hobby or get a pet, get a dog, take the dog for walks. Something. And see, when you all go back to school on Tuesday, you will see me in a different light. Yours, I took from your bag. Don't have my pencil box. Almost okay. You all will see me in a different light. And now you know the funny side of him. You know that he can joke, play games. So.
Is this very smooth and then?
My God, Louise, no. Don't.
Nothing like first, first very sweet, right? This one, right? Because this very smooth.
Drink water.
No, you
Bend straight down. It's not so big, right? Yeah. Maybe for a little child cannot now. Your grandmother will come and stop already or starting? Starting. Don't. I try and go and see. I will try. Okay, good. Because now the corridors will be dark. The rain. Hopefully it's aircon water. Thank you. I switch off the light. You go out, it'll be dark. You saw your dad? Okay. Bye, Louise. So next Friday lah. Okay. Bye, Louise. Good luck in the competition. Let me know. Let me know how it goes and where it's held. The venue. Bye, Louise. Bye. Hi. Hello. So cute. Really? Is it? Yeah. Wait now. I want to go to the bank. Sandy, I saw that you're up, but I couldn't reply. I saw the message. What's that? Oh, bag droppings. Number plate. I will reply after I come back from house keys. I put here. Fisherman's friend there, tissue there. Plus, go and come before it rains. It's 6:45. Dragged on for 15 minutes. That is okay. We didn't check petrol, huh? Let's see. Just go on riding and then petrol. William gonna feed the dogs. Thank you. Hi, William. Oh, got enough petrol. Next week we go and put petrol. If it does start raining, I will have to stop and put the document under the seat. Cannot get it wet. Shouldn't get it wet. Wow, whoever is moving in there, the corner house, they've got electric wires going around. I also saw basketball net, basketball hoop, the wall. There must be children. That's the thing when you have a corner house and a jungle at the back. You have to be careful. I want to withdraw money because tomorrow we're going to the Eurasian Center, Penang Eurasian Center, Penang Eurasian Club, PRC lah. We're going there and check in your trusty map. You can see you'll see Kelawai Road. Next to it, Kelawai Road, and we cross the road and it's Gurney Plaza. Gurney Plaza. During Chinese New Year, we went with Hillary. Lion dance, and then we had went to the Japanese restaurant for lunch, and then Hillary went to that makeup place, and then she got a few the samples of this no, I don't know what to call it, maybe what, a travel kit, not tiny tubes, not tiny but small. Clinic, you call clinic something. I used it twice. This car at the back of me cannot wait, come so close. There's the cleanser, toner, is that called a toner? Ooh, reverse lights must be careful. Everyone seems to be rushing, scared to get caught in the storm. Oh, I think we are in trouble. Let me think. Kimberly is only at 2. Oh, I'm sure there will be ATMs at the mall, right? So not necessarily have to go to the bank now. Go and laminate. Should I photostat also? Yeah lah, photostat. And then laminate 2 just in case. 2 copies lah. I have enough money for that now. What? Yeah, close lah. There's a notice there, must go and read. Buy dinner. Today's Friday, maybe there's biryani. It's closed. Where else can I laminate it?